Let's look at some multiplication of complex numbers. As you can see below, the close to the form, this one, it shows how you multiply complex numbers. Let's get started with the first one. When you multiply this one, you multiply as when you multiply you're solving for x, or as you multiply as you multiply when you solve for x. You'll first multiply by the 2 times 6, 2 times -4, and then like this 3 times 6, 3 times -4, and then you will combine the like terms. As you can see, the j square represents a -1 and here on the formula, so we'll replace the j square by a -1, then you multiply it inside. Plus 10j plus 12. So this multiplied by that, and -12 multiplied by -1 is +12. So adding the 12, you have 24, and plus 10j. So this is how you multiply the complex numbers. So let's see the next one. We have 5 plus 2g. No, this is not the one for multiplication. from here, first of all, you can separate the one. So if you can take a common factor for this one, one is gonna take out okay. And then check this one is it's common. Right, if you can take it out, and then you'll have something like this. You can reverse the process. So one times 7 is 7, 1 times negative g is negative j square root of 7 multiplied by 7, 7 square root of 5, square root of 5 multiplied by negative j is negative square root of 5, and negative j square. So we change negative j square to negative 1. So changing the negative j to 1. We have negative 1. So 7 negative j plus 7 root 5 j, and then we have positive root 5. And then grouping the right terms, we have negative 7 minus root 5 plus 7 root 5 g minus 3. So these are the right terms. So we have something like 7 negative root 5 plus g bracket 7 root 5 minus 1. So you can leave it like this or continue. So final answer is the next one. So this is the next one. So this one is root 7 plus 3, and then 12 minus 6g. Then multiplying this one, let's separate it first, like expanding, and then plus 3, so we have plus 6g in the bracket. So multiplying inside, we have something like 12 for root 7. Multiplying again by root 7, we have negative 6 root 7 here. Then plus multiplying by j, we have 12j. Multiplying the 6, we have 6j square. And then you change the j square from here, and then let's group the like terms here and like terms. Okay, taking the j as a common factor to this one, let's transfer this one to this side, the 6, and then changing the I square is negative 1. The negative 1, I square here, I'd say I square is negative 1. So complex number deal with I square. So I square is negative number. Where you see a j square or I square or j square, we call it both. You will replace it by negative 1. So let's add this on top, this one. So because j is a common factor, let me start by the positive side. So let's say I'm rearranging, I will take the 12 in front and the negative 6. So multiplying this 12 root 7, so this one will be positive. So negative times negative is positive. Negative 1 multiplied by negative is positive. And so we'll have positive 6, and then finishing everything here, we'll have something like this 6 root 7. That's all. So this is how, because it have a root, so you can leave it like this, or if they say you must continue, but it will have numbers with the commas, because the root 7 it's not perfect square. Let's check the other one. This one does not have that complexity. It's not that, it only have the j part. So multiplying this, let's start by say negative 8j. So we have 15 minus, okay, it's the same thing, just I'm rearranging it. So multiply 8 by 15. 15 times 8, what is 15 times 8? 15 times 8 or 7 times 8. 15 times 8, it's like, it's 120. So we'll have 120, negative 120j, and then 7 multiplied by 8 is not 72. It's 56. 56, so we'll have 56j square. The square comes when multiplied by this j. The j and I is the same thing. Okay, changing the j square to negative 1, because j square it's negative 1, so we'll change the j square to negative 1, and then we have negative 120 j negative 56. So this is the answer. Let's check the last list. Okay, this one, it's let's write it so that come out clearly. We have 3 over 7 plus 2 over 5j, and then close a bracket. Then we will have something like 5 over 2 minus 8 over root 3j. So this one, it's a fraction, so we have 3 over 7 close brackets 5 over 2 minus 8 over 3 j, and this one, it's big. Let me write it so that it have a space. So I have something like 3 over 7, 5 over 2 minus 8 over 3 j, and then like this, and then this one, it's positive 2 over 5. Let me write this thing. So this is the answer. As you can see, step by step, I've arranged everything to one side, like times to the other side, and change the j squared to -1, and then it becomes a positive here, and then simplifying everything. So if you want to have a perfect number or something, you can use the calculator and find the value, but you have a commas. Even in this one you'll have a commas, but this is how it will simplify it without using the calculator or the help of the calculator. So that's it for multiplication of complex numbers. So